Time Manufacturing Company in Waco, Texas, established in 1965, has produced more than 100,000 aerial devices over the last 45 years. The name Time is our founder Charlie Turner's innovation. Coming from the philosophy, the Versalift is a time-saving product. Our specialty is Versalift van-mounted, Versalift, and Condor truck-mounted aerial devices.
If Time Manufacturing in our marketplace is known for anything, it's known for innovation. And that is listening to customers and also understanding the job they're trying to do.
We began with innovation. We came about because a small rural telephone cooperative actually came up with their own 24-foot aerial device for their employees to use.
One of our co-owners was a family-owned telephone service. The other was a Rice-trained engineer. And I think the marrying of that culture with innovation and engineering to the understanding of the reality of the field is a culture that we've been able to hold on through these many years of growth.
Time International, with the export office located in Farsø, Denmark, is a subsidiary of Time Manufacturing Company. Our export is based on a worldwide network of distributors who sell the products with backup from the export office in Denmark. Via our sales office, we supply customers in countries outside North, Central, and South America. Throughout the world, our motto is support and commitment. Time International, with a staff of high-qualified engineers and sales staff, are supporting the export distributor net with support on sales, local approval and engineering of the mounting on locally produced chassis. Time is using 3 mounting facilities in Europe with a capacity of 1,000 to 1,500 mountings per year. Our internal cooperation, good working environment, and company ethics reflect our customer relation policy, support, and commitment.
We build a good product, we stand behind our product, and we're looking for an opportunity to earn the business of our customer and want to be in the long haul.
Time uses the latest design technology. We are trailblazers in the field and practice leadership through innovation. Time is the only worldwide company in its field with a well-established service net. Research and development at Time often starts by conversation with the salesman who is telling the engineering department what our customers' needs are. Our commitment to solve our customers' needs and problems keeps us in front with continuous innovation. We try to anticipate the problems that might come up in the field and then we design that out. Versalift is known worldwide for being the high-quality aerial device with the lowest service and maintenance cost in the industry. We particularly emphasize the importance of good working conditions and the safety of the operator on the systems. We consider this in the design of our lift trucks, with direct access from the driver's compartment to the cage and safety equipment. Time in Farsø, Denmark takes care of installation, sales, development, engineering, and custom-made products, with production divided between our 4 core areas: van-mounted lifts, truck-mounted lifts, insulated lifts, and hybrid 100% electric-driven lifts. Time's van-mounted Versalift line is the only supplier of aerial devices mounted on vans that can offer a complete line, from the smallest 9-meter lift mounted on a 2.9-ton van to the tallest, an 18-meter lift mounted on a 7.5-ton van. Versalift can supply a lift with a working height of 11 meters on a 2.9-ton van. Versalift can supply an 11.5-meter lift on the 3.5-ton GVW van with 200 kilograms bucket capacity and no use of outriggers. Versalift offers all van-mounted lifts with no frame inside the van room, no outriggers inside the van room, and no rotating parts inside the van room. Versalifts are supplied with walk-in bucket. Versalift vans can be delivered with the patented axle locking system for operation with no use of outriggers. Versalift supplies the tallest van-mounted lift on the market with 18-meter working height. Versalift vans can be delivered with the Versalift walk-through system. Time offers a complete line of chassis-mounted lifts from 8 to 30 meters for all applications within the industry. From highly specialized custom installations on all-wheel driven rough terrain vehicles to conventional chassis installations for public traffic throughout the world. The major customers for Time's reliable chassis-mounted lifts are typically energy companies, for maintenance of streetlights or cold power lines, communes and municipalities, sign companies, phone companies, rental companies, and other contractors who need a reliable and safe access to elevated work sites. Needless to say that all Time's products meets and exceeds all international safety standards for this industry. A popular example of Time's innovative products is the compact and lightweight pickup-mounted lifts from 8 to 12 meters. They are a very cost-effective and versatile tool for maintenance of inner-city parks and streetlights, and they also offer easy access to backyards and gardens around private houses, where the larger trucks have no access. The tailor-made solutions for the worldwide markets have proven Time to be one of the leaders in innovation and new ways of solving local laws and requirements, such as the Access Drive system for remote chassis control. This time-saving innovative feature allows the operator to control the chassis from the elevated bucket and allows him to move the entire vehicle without lowering and stowing the bucket when moving from one elevated job site to another. The sky is practically the limit for Time's effective and innovative solutions for the global lift market. Time also offers a full range of insulated high-voltage line lifts, specialized for the power line sector. The insulated Versalifts are appreciated worldwide for their safe and reliable long-lasting service. These insulated Versalifts allows the trained operators, known as the linesmen, to perform maintenance work on high-voltage power lines without disrupting the power supply to their customers. Not only does this mean continued power supply for consumers, but it also means safe work practices for the linesmen. The standard insulated Versalift offers a 46,000 volts insulation, but they can be rated up to 500,000 volts. The power lines are often running through inaccessible terrains, and in the past, that meant the maintenance work had to be carried out manually from the poles or from ladders. But the experienced and skilled engineered team at Time is able to customize the installation of the insulated Versalifts onto special rough terrain vehicles that will enter terrains no other vehicles can. We are proud to say that Time will solve the aerial access problems you are facing. Global warming is a challenge we all are facing today, and we cannot turn our blind eye to the ongoing changes in the climate. Time has taken our eco-responsibility seriously and is the leaders through innovation. Time has engineered a line of environmentally friendly lift solutions. From the first 100% electric chassis-mounted lift in the world to the most versatile hybrid solution in the industry, Time has been the engineering pioneers in the industry. We are proud to say that we have the largest and most comprehensive line of hybrid and fully electric-driven lifts today. When lift operations are banned from the inner cities, pedestrian walks, parks, and other areas sensitive to noisy and polluting engines, Time can offer a silent and non-polluting solution for the customers. The most popular option is the hybrid solution, where a fossil fuel-driven vehicle is combined with a highly effective battery pack to power the lift. The result is a completely silent and non-polluting lift operation. If the environment is even more demanding, our fully electric-powered solution will cover it. With this solution, the job can be carried out fully emission-free and with absolutely no inconvenience to the nearby public. The job is done completely silent. Every detail is thoroughly tested and inspected before delivery. Our products are of course certified and safety accredited. Time does not compromise on solutions, and our employees are highly trained, conscientious, and well qualified in their field. We test every Versalift 1.5 times rated capacity and 5 to 10 degree slope. This certifies that the product will meet and exceed standards of all of our customers. We are an ISO-certified company. Meeting those standards leaves us to better work practices that we apply to all of the Versalifts we build. So, it's not a limited focus. It's a worldwide focus on how we build our products. We have a full service line of distribution that takes care of the customers in their territory. It's not coming from one central location across the United States. We regionally and usually state by state take care of our customers. We understand that the customer will not buy a second Versalift if they can't get service on the first Versalift. We believe in lifelong relationships with the customers and supporting the product from the day of sale to the day it retires from service. We know that our customers' biggest fear is downtime with their equipment. They are making money with the equipment that we build for them. So if that unit is down and not working, it's costing them money. When there's a problem, our service manager, our parts manager, our internal salespeople, our outside salespeople's main focus is that customer. No matter where your lift is in the world, you can expect service within 24 hours.
Well, I think for Time Manufacturing, the future is very, very bright. There's more than 650 units in Korean power in Korea. There's over 500 units on the island of Taiwan. We're the leading American manufacturer in China. We're the #1 van-mounted unit in the European theater. And so I think from that, as we build and understand our customers, whether they're in Macon, Georgia, or in Russia, that we understand and apply the same principles that makes us successful in our markets in the United States will make us successful across the world. And we're very proud to be an American manufacturer who can be successful across the world. Building an aerial device or a piece of equipment that gets a man to an elevated position. And that's what we do and we're all about. That is the only thing we do. And we decided that many years ago to focus on being the very, very best aerial manufacturer we can be.